Yo, get it, yo, let's go get it, cartureman. 후위. 오늘 하루 너무나도 더웠습니다. 여러분들 아시는 분들은 제 자동차 하나를 알 겁니다. 1992 Honda Civic Si. 그 자동차는 제가 오리지널 오너한테서 38,000마일, 약 한 47,000km 탄 자동차를 샀는데 페인트가 너무나도 흐지부지해졌어요. 인테리어는 짱. 페인트와 엔진 베이는 좀 흐지부지해졌어요. 시간인 만큼. 여러분, 한국에서는 우리 프라이드가 프로젝트카 있죠? 그것도 95년도. 요즘도 92년도. 조금 더 언니죠? 요 언니 Civic Si 오늘부터 프로젝트 레쓰기릿. 후! And my buddy, new cartureman US family member, John.
How you doing, Jim?
What's up, John?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. You know what, just for the people who haven't seen the first episode with you on it, why don't you introduce yourself?
My name's Jonathan Yost. This is my shop here, Yost Auto Tailoring, here in Costa Mesa, California. Been working on cars my whole life, and now have my own shop, and we're gonna take care of June's car here.
Yeah, 그렇죠. 사실은 존이 한 15년 동안 램보르기니와 코닉색 메카닉이었습니다. 트레이닝은 진짜로 스웨덴까지 갔었고 이태리까지 가서 램보르기니하고 코닉색 본사에서 트레이닝을 받고 계속 메카닉을 했는데 그 전서부터도 메카닉 대학을 나왔기 때문에 His father was a Porsche mechanic. 가족 자체가 그냥 자동차 패밀리입니다. 그렇기 때문에 램보르기니에서 이제 나와서 자기 온 사무실과 mechanical engineer 샵을 열었습니다. 그렇기 때문에 우리는 여기서 BAM! 1992 Honda Civic Si Single Overhead Cam VTEC Motor 엔진이랑 뭐 이런 거 상태 좋아요. 미션이랑 다 상태는 좋지만 샌디에고 캘리포니아 오리지널 오너리 바닷가 근처에 사는데 그냥 커버를 씌워놨기 때문에 그 안에 condensation and humidity 물 때문에 oxidation 페인트 자체가 그냥 이거는 뭐 왁스로 못해요. 클리어 코트 자체도 여기 보시면 이거 보세요. 클리어 코트가 이렇게 됩니다. 부스러 나가죠. 이제 이 페인트는 그냥 굿바이 하기 때문에 우리는 존을 믿고 존이 이 자동차를 아예 gonna bring it back to its glory days original equipment로 딱! 와 여기 딱 보면은 여러분들 여기가 존 요스트 my brother 새로운 이 샵인데 샵 들어오셔서 딱 보면은 자동차 보세요. Aventador SV, Super Veloce, Diablo, GT, and John's love 911. And underneath is a Huracan. 딱 그 와중에 yo, let's go get it. 제일 OG Civic Si. Now, John.
Yes, sir.
I want to ask you this. Is it going to cramp your style? Because I mean, you know, and I know that you only work on like sick-ass cars, like exotics, right? You're a qualified, certified Koenigsegg, Lamborghini, McLaren, Porsche mechanic. As you can see, these cars that are here in the shop are like all multi, 500-600 grand cars. And then you have a Honda Civic here. Now, isn't that going to cramp your style?
No, absolutely not.
Tell us your story.
No, see, I'm into all cars. I don't discriminate at all. Whether you got a Lamborghini, a Honda, a Kia, it doesn't matter. I just like making cars cool and fun, doing something different with them. So, no, it doesn't cramp my style at all.
And then what's your history? What was your first car?
My first car was a Honda Civic hatchback.
Yeah.
It wasn't a 92 Si, it was a 96 DX hatchback. But yeah, I started out with JDM cars. So I had a Honda Civic hatchback, Acura Integra, Honda Civic Si, but it was a 2000. So I started with the JDM cars and I got into the German cars, and now I'm here now working on everything.
So you can basically, someone could come in here with a Honda Civic or a CRX that says, can you tune my car? Can you make it look, take it back to its glory days? Not going to discriminate.
Absolutely, bring it in.
And the price is different than these cars to work on. It's 더 저렴하죠, price. It's lower, right?
Yeah.
That's what I just want to make sure that our viewers here in California or like the surrounding states that want to actually bring their cars to John, he's not going to discriminate. And don't feel like, because like a lot of people get intimidated to go into dealerships or like mechanics that only work on certain cars, but John comes from our era of tuning, all cars, even muscle cars. So 여기 뭐 진짜로 캘리포니아 주변에 계신 분들 램보르기니하고 페라리, 뭐 포르쉐 없어도 돼요. You don't have to have these cars. 이런 자동차도 하시고 싶으면 여기 와도 되니까 보세요. 되게 깔끔하고 되게 프로페셔널하고 개인 자동차 튜닝한 거 보면 되게 꼼꼼하게 잘하시는 분이니까 you don't have to worry. And today I want to thank Continental Tires for sponsoring this video. 제가 이 자동차를 보관했었을 때 이 타월 같은 걸 여기다가 씌워놓고 카바 밑에다가 해놓은 이유가 뭐냐면 UV 레이가 너무 나쁘기 때문에 it could have ruined everything. 하지만 내가 다 가려놨기 때문에 안에는 새 차랑 마찬가지입니다. 냄새 자체도 smells the same. We want it back to this color, factory color, Milano Red라는 색깔인데 요걸로 다시 그렇게 하고 interior doesn't need any work at all. Interior is like spotless. The mechanics of the car, spotless. 2년 반 전에 클러치는 I already replaced, so it's good. 휠은 제가 여기다 끼고 싶은 휠이 있어요. 제가 대학교 다닐 때, in 92, there were wheels, SSR super spokes that I had on my Integra. 그 휠을 내 친구가 샀는데 내 친구가 그 휠을 자꾸 하와이 갔다가 오는 사이에 너무 습하고 그래서 프롬이 다 좀 흐지부지해졌기 때문에 그거를 refurbish 한 다음에 거기다가 195 5016 Continental Tire를 장착할 거니까는 그것도 좀 기대해 주시면 되고. Anyways, let's get to it, man. Wait, Jason, right?
Yes.
Introduce yourself. 1, 2, 3, get it.
Hello, my name is Jason. I'm a friend of John's. I will be helping June and John with the project.
And he is basically, he's been in the JDM and tuning. He's 48 years old, so almost the same time frame as me. So he knows what's up, right? Let's get it.
I say usually when we go, we just start on one end and work
Let's
along.
get it.
Cool. Let's pop the hood.
Do you have a tray that we
yeah.
can put these on? You're gonna remember it, right?
I'm gonna remember.
나는 옛날에 이거 어떻게 했냐면 이거 뺀 다음에 지플록에다가 집어넣고 그거 써놨는데 얘는 뭐 remember 한다니까는. 얘도 그렇게 하네. You do the same thing that I used to put it. Yeah, same, same, exactly the
So
same.
this can go in here.
It's right here. 이 라이트를 빼려면 범퍼를 조금 루스해야 되는 이유가 뭐냐면 라이트가 커서 얘가 너무 타이트하면 얘가 빠지기가 어려워. 요런 거를 미리 여기서 페인트샵 가기 전에 하면은 거기서 페인트샵에서는 할 일이 덜 있고 돈을 거기서 이제 더 전략을 하는 거지. 여기서 우리가 미리 해서 준비를 해서 페인트 할 것만 딱 하고.
Can't find a car that's clean.
No, 지금 이 친구도 말하는 게 이 자동차는 그래요. 이런 페인트랑 이런 거 빼놓고 이게 플라스틱 캡인데 이런 것도 안 고장난 거 찾기에는 되게 어려운 차예요. 그래서 되게 귀한 차예요, 차. I like this car. And if John doesn't bring it back to glory days, I'm gonna kill him. 이 밑에 봐, 이 자동차 밑에 봐, 밑에. 그냥 새 차야. 중고차 살 때는 이런 차를 찾아야 되는 게 이 차는 제가 찾았을 때 사실은 나이 들으신 분 워썸맨고에서 이 자동차 진출했지만 그거는 연출이었었고 진짜로 이거 제가 지금 나이 들으신 분한테서 자동차 산 건데 투닝도 한 번도 하지 않고 그런 거 한 게 하나도 없어. This fender must be. 아 진짜 이거 하니까 옛날으로 다시 가는 느낌이야. 어렸을 때 타임 머신. This is like going in a time machine. I haven't done this in so long. You know, we used to do, you know, like I used to go to Cal State Long Beach, and after school on Fridays, we'd be like, yeah, cool, it's the weekend, you know, work on the car till late night, wake up early on Saturday and do it again.
You know I have a position open, right?
Oh, I don't think your hourly could cover me, bro.
Oh man. So June, what got you into cars?
You know, it was my brother, my older brother. He was 11 years older than me, so it's almost like my father figure, and he was totally into cars.
Yeah.
His first car was a 73 Volkswagen Bug.
Okay.
But before that, his dream cars and his models, like we used to get models and, you know, make models together, and he would teach me by showing me all the little parts, saying, you know, this is a carburetor, this is whatever, and I would learn. And then he had I don't know if you heard of Jensen Healy's, but
Yep.
when he went to college, he bought a Jensen Healy, which is basically a Lotus motor. Worked on that, but that's kind of hard to work with because it's a European car. Then my father passed away, and then he gave him, my father used to have a 76 Firebird that he bought brand new, I think back then for like $5,400 or whatever when it was brand new. And he gave it to my brother, and he would work on it, and you know, my brother went to UCLA, and on the weekends he'd come and he'd work on his car, and I'd help him, you know, just little stuff when he's doing
Funny.
oil changes and stuff.
It's funny how it all stays in the family.
Yeah.
Usually.
Yeah, and then after that, it's history because by the time it was time for me to drive, I wanted to do all of it, you know, and my friends have garages, you know. I was living in a, you know, little apartment, but like some of them still lived at home and they had the garages, so we'd work on it. And you know the whole story about when you remember when we're cutting springs, put the suspension right in. Yeah, you're like, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You have to, if you don't, you pop your eye out. 다 same story들. Suspension 할 때는 we didn't have freaking clamps back then, you know? 2x4 like this, push it. You ready? Go! Whoa! 하면 이게 확 나가는 스프링. 뭐 사람들 들으면 이거 하나도 안 재밌겠지만 우리들끼리만.
I got one screw over here. Hopefully that's it.
That's it. Got it. Alright. 자, 여러분. 사람들이 항상 자동차를 고칠 때 나 범퍼 깨졌어. 범퍼 해야 돼. 이건 범퍼가 아니고 This is what you call a bumper cover. 이건 커버고 안에 있는 이 자체가 This is the reinforced bumper. 범퍼 안에는 스티로폼 같은 게 있는 거. 이게 범퍼예요. 근데 요거는 요쪽에다가 기스 나면 안 되니까는 You know, shit like this is rusted, but it's still clean, man. Look at this.
And it still works.
Oh yeah. Look at this. 이게 뭔지 알아요, 여러분? 이게 뭐냐면 거미 알집이에요. 요 안에다가 알을 짓는데 요 툭 터뜨리면 거미 새끼가 존나 많이 나와. 먹어볼래? 내가 10,000원 줄게. Say, hey, dude, John, check this out. Look how clean this reservoir tank is. It's not even yellowed.
Ooh.
새 거 같아. Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, usually they look like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Usually it looks like that, but it's 새 거야. Look at this, man. Great.
Maybe we replaced the radiator.
Yeah.
It looks like these are just falling off.
They're corroded.
Yeah.
It's not pretty hard. It's hard. It's like a Brillo pad. Potato chip. It's like a potato chip. Like radiator는 하나 갈아야 되겠다. Jason, did you? Okay, here we go.
Hold straight out.
Yeah. Okay. 이야, 이제 애꾸는 아니네. 이제 눈이 없네. 그리고 이것도 알다시피 시간 지나면 다 노래지거든. 안 노래. These kind of moldings like these, the stick-on ones, they could take off at the body shop.
It's so nice to peel it though. You
Okay,
wanna
let's do it. Let's
You
do it. Okay,
You do it.
it feels good. 요거 뛸 때 느낌은 참 좋아. But it's bad because the sticky stuff stays on there. 이게 옛날에 옵션이었었거든. 요게 한 60분인가 그 옵션인데 진짜 나는 샀을 때도 뛰었어. So we should put it on eBay. Almost NOS side molding for Civic Si.
Or the trash cans right there.
Yeah, the trash can right there.
All right. So the front end is looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. This is easy to take off, dude. This is like gum.
You know what the best thing to use is? You want to see?
Goo gone?
No. Here.
What is it? Oh, peanut butter?
No.
I didn't have money. I used to use peanut butter. It worked good. But then they came out with Goo gone.
It's this rubber wheel.
Okay. 고무야, 고무. 그러니까 지우개 같은 거죠. 너무 세게 하면 페인트는 먹어버려요. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, it looks new.
This is made for a pinstripe.
Oh.
So you take off the whole pinstripe.
Yeah. That's cool. 이 핀스트라이프 요것도 손으로 다 한 거예요. 칠한 거예요. 이게 옵션이었는데 이거 샀을 때 이분은 왜 이거 샀는지 모르겠는데 요것도 없애려면 저걸로 고무 지우개로 없앨 수 있어요. 근데 안 할 거야. 어차피 바디샵 가서 걔네들이 섹시할 거면 걔네들이 해도 되니까. Okay. Right now, the next thing we could pull that plug off and then we could do the side mirrors.
Not too bad to get these apart, is it?
No, I mean, you know what? It's pretty much like, especially the old cars, everything was snapped together, like, you know?
All right, June, how do you open this thing?
There you go. It's from the inside only. You got it? Yeah, there's a handle. Yeah.
All right.
It's all in there. A little bolt.
Wow. Look, you can see the actual color of the car. Look how pretty it is.
It's pretty. And the Milano red is really pretty red. It's really deep red. 여기로 오면은 진짜 이 자동차의 색깔이 보여. 옛날에 어땠었는지 여기 오면. 얼마큼 이뻤는지, 그지? There's only one bolt.
Yeah, there was the one inside here, and then these two guys on the outside there.
Okay.
What size is that?
I don't know. I don't do this for a living. 난 몰라. 나사 사이즈를 내가. What size is it? You know.
Here, try this one.
얘가 딱 원샷을 갖고 온 건데 되는지 보자고요. And it's really loose already. It worked. Okay, this is coming. It's coming. Got it. There you go.
There.
Got it.
Freedom.
Wow. Yeah. This has been on there. Look at this, brand new. Yeah. 아 진짜 옛날 생각난다. 근데 진짜 이게 있는 게 큰 도움이 돼. 이 리프트가 있는 거야. 리프트가 하나 있으니까 그거 하나 있고 조명 하나 이렇게 걸 수 있는 저 어렸을 때는 우리 그걸 왜 생각 못 했는지. 건 돈이 아니고 한 명 계속 들고 있어. 에이 쭉 좀 더 해주지. 요것도 이제 오리지널 스티커인데 요거 이제 도색하면 띄워야 되니까는 요거를 딱 요 위치를 다시 똑같이 붙이기 위해서 이제 여기서 우리가 템플릿을 만들어야 돼. 우린 옛날에 그냥 종이로 하고 이거 그린 다음에 테이프로 그린 다음에 떼어갖고 나중에 그 종이 딱 하나 그 위에다 붙였었는데 여기 이제 저는 비닐루가 있기 때문에 지플록 봉투를 잘라서 템플릿을 만들 겁니다. 아, 이 색깔 봐. Fuck, beautiful. When the original color. Here, I'm gonna hold this for you like this.
Perfect.
We don't. It doesn't even have to be exact as long as you have the top, the bottom, the sides. There you go. That's it. Done. 이렇게 해서 나중에 이제 도색한 다음에 요 스티커를 주문해서 여기 붙이다 이거 딱. 근데 요거를 잊어먹으면 이제 때려야지. So this I give to you with your life.
Well, what do you think?
I think it's good. I mean, for right now, because I know we have to take the windows out. Well, I don't think we should take the windows out. To be honest with you, what I want to do is right here. These seals are perfect, as you know, Jason. I mean, like, you know how these things dry rot, but these seals are perfect. I want them to actually mask it off to the edge right here so they don't have to overspray on here. So I don't want to pull the windows out.
Okay.
Even the front windows.
Okay.
This is all original. Yeah, they're awesome, right? And they're actually so perfect. I don't want to ruin it. The original window seals are really hard to come by, and these are all original, so I want to keep it that way. cartureman! Yo, get it, yo, let's go get it, cartureman! 야, 여러분들 진짜로 오랜만에 제가 마지막으로 이런 튜닝을 한 거 뭐 이렇게 뭐 몰딩 빼고 이렇게 한 거는 제가 대학교 시절 때였었는데 오랜만에 이렇게 존과 제이슨과 준, JJJ, 트리플 J 그래서 이렇게 해서 너무 즐거웠었고 이제 조금 더 해야 되는데 우리 다 배고프니까 밥 먹고 조금 더 할 거고 한 다음에 이제 우리가 얼만큼 이 자동차를 이쁘게 만들지 많이 기대해 주세요. So, 구독, like, subscribe, and cartureman will be there. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, bam! Woo! Hey John.
Yes.
You know that my headlights are better than this one. 300ZX. 이 사람들이 잘 모르지만 자동차 이 당시에
No one knows that.
이 당시에 이 자동차를 만들었을 때는 램보르기니가 그렇게 부자는 아니었었기 때문에 사실은 부자였지만은 돈을 저렴하기 위해서 leftover parts bin 닛산 300ZX 헤드라이트예요. 똑같은 거예요. 그 헤드라이트를 여기다가 장착한 건데 아마 이거 한 300만 원 할 거예요. 그런데 닛산으로 가서 딱 하면은 한 30만 원.